All right, now let's take a look at the crypto market there. We see the market cap that's sitting at $1.87 trillion. It's lost that $2 trillion mark, but trying to get back above it at this point. It's up about 1.18%. We see the volume traded, $90.90 billion. That's down about 12.93%. That's talking about the altcoins and the Bitcoin. We see Bitcoin dominance, 40.72%. Price of Bitcoin this morning at 8 a.m. about 39,985. It's up about 0.14%. We see an upside correction trying to happen there up above the 40,000 level. You see Bitcoin try to climb above the 40,400 level, but we're seeing a lot of bearish sell-offs when it tries to get above that level. And we see Ethereum there sitting at $3,048, trying to hold on to that $3,000 support. All right, let's bring in Solomon Amunde now, digital market analyst. Hello, Solomon. Good morning.
Good morning, Ladi. Good morning.
Good morning. Great to have you on the program today, visually, not just your voice this time. Well, let's look at some issues then. Now, we see Chris Dixon turned about $350 million to $6 billion in 2021, a 17x gain, you know, for a VC there. Do you think it would be possible for VCs to make such gains in a short time going forward in the crypto market?
Yeah, actually, it will be way more difficult this time around because we're no longer in the bullish market, and also now, like, so many persons are involved. We have so many players involved, and that opportunity to be able to get projects at a very, very undervalued price wouldn't be there. Unlike 2018, 2019, 2020, where we had the likes of Uniswap that were extremely undervalued, which was actually one of such projects that they invested in and made such huge returns. This time around, it will be quite difficult to get such projects. So it will be possible for them to make it in the long run, but short term, it won't be that easy.
Quite. Well, the market is looking quite difficult, you know, at this point. But do you think, you know, too much, you know, venture capital investment in crypto and blockchain projects would affect, you know, the decentralized nature of crypto?
Yeah, definitely. I've been looking at that for a while. We have so much venture capitalists coming in and throwing lots of funds in crypto projects these days. And when you look at how they are being rewarded with the tokens, and we all know what the tokens stand for when it comes to a decentralized project. It's majorly for voting and taking decisions on projects and features that should be launched in such projects. So you can imagine when the VCs hold a huge chunk of this project, thus they'll be the one controlling most of the down decisions. So I feel long-term, VCs investing so much in cryptocurrency, it will definitely affect the decentralized nature.
Quite interesting. Well, we're seeing Bitcoin that trying to get above the 40K level. It was trading at around 39,000. How do you see Bitcoin price action this morning?
Yeah. We are still having that strong upward momentum, basically, because we've hit $39,000 support very, very well, and that was one of the most important supports. So right now we should expect Bitcoin to try and retest $44,000 and also range between $39,000 and $44,000. Failure to go above $44,000, we might just see us going below $39,000. But hopefully the market is looking pretty green this week, and we're expecting us to hold $39,000 basically.
Quite interesting. And we're seeing the tech-heavy NASDAQ also getting sell-offs yesterday, and we're seeing that correlation between NASDAQ and Bitcoin. All right, Solomon, always good to talk to you. Thanks so much for coming on the program.
All right, thanks very much.
All right, now let's look at the top also market cap. We see BNB there. It's mostly green this morning. We see BNB up about 3.16%. We see Cardano at 95 cents. That's up 1.42%. We see Solana there trying to crawl back up there above the $100 mark. It's up about 1.55%. We see XRP 71 cents, quite stable there, up about 1.50%. All right, that's it on the crypto market.